Welcome back, guys, to another video. Back in the BRZ again. Nice Friday afternoon. Weather's, you know, it's a little bit cooler out than usual. The weather's been kind of crap the past few days, so it's nice that the sun finally came out for this afternoon on a Friday for a little drive here. Construction. One lane road ahead. I swear, bro, if they dug up these roads again, I'll be tight. Wait, I guess, I don't know anymore. No construction. Doesn't look like it. End road work. What? Alright. But how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing. Can't talk. Hope y'all been doing well. Made it through another week. Blessed to see another day. Life's good. Come along with me for another drive in this lovely afternoon. I don't have the app with me right now, or have the app on my phone, so I can't really see a preview of, you know, the screen right now, which way the camera's pointing, orientation. But I'm hoping that, you know, it's a good view. You guys can see everything. You guys aren't just looking at this. That's what I'm hoping for. But I think we'll be all right. I showed some pretty good support on my previous video, my previous POV drive with the BRZ. To be honest, I wasn't expecting that video. I can't talk today. Wow. What the? All right. Let me talk. Let me try to talk. I wasn't expecting you guys to do show that much support for that video, considering it was the BRZ, and a lot of you guys do come from the Civic videos, so thank you. Yeah, like I'm saying, I appreciate all you guys for showing love on the last BRZ POV video. You guys killed it. Hopefully you guys do the same for this video. I will be posting more frequently, like I've been saying for the past 2 months. But I think I've been pretty consistent lately, you know. I've been posting at least 2 to 3 videos a month. Originally, I was gonna just try to post 2 videos a week, but you know, I've been so busy with work that goal is a little bit too ambitious. So we're gonna take our 2 to 3 videos a month for now, and hopefully once we start getting more content, do more things this summer, I'll record more and just post more in general. So be on the lookout. possible, leave a like, comment, sub, and any interaction you guys do with this video, like, comment, really helps me out. It pushes my videos out, pushes it out to more viewers, more people, and help my channel grow. So if you can, leave a like, comment, sub, you know, all that typical YouTube stuff that people be saying. Well, yeah, road work ahead, bro. Connecticut has like endless construction, like, you know. And it's crazy because like most of the time it's over the dumbest shit. Like they'll dig up a road, repave it, and then 3 months later they'll do the same thing to the same road, just dig it up again. Like, bro, like, what was that for? My fault, y'all. I'm over here ranting. Oh, what is this? Hey, yo! Why are there mad cops? Nah, what is that? Bro, 4 cops. They're not even stadies. That's crazy. GG's to that guy. Still recording? Yes. Holy crap. Those shifts were egregious. I'm not gonna lie. That Nissan truck was pretty sick. CT Bike Gang! CT Bike Gang! If you guys made it this far to the video, type 1 in the comments. Bro, that's crazy. I sounded like a streamer when I said that. But what I actually want you guys to let me know, give me feedback on is if you guys enjoy the lifestyle vlogs I posted a month ago. How do you guys feel about that content? Let me know if you guys enjoy those. Oh, okay. Go crazy, go crazy. Go crazy, go crazy. Yo! Well, let me know if you enjoy those. I want to say it's fairly new to me, those types of videos, but I haven't done them in years. I initially started this channel as like a lifestyle channel. I didn't really I didn't really think about making an automotive car channel per se. So it kind of just came along with me posting videos on my car, so kind of turned into this. But this bump sucks, bro. Okay. But what am I trying to say? But let me know what you think. Those videos do take a little bit more effort, you know, getting all the angles and stuff, but they are pretty gratifying. I like making those videos. They're pretty fun to make. And I just enjoy the videography, cinematography aspect of those vids. So if you guys do enjoy those videos, let me know in the comments below, please. Man, mad heads today. Damn. That noise I made, bro, I need to fix my fender liner. Probably just take it off, to be honest. But we're here at my destination. I like coming to this spot, you know, after a long week or a long day. Kind of just decompress, you know. High tide right now, I believe. Water's pretty high up, so yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. You guys are from Connecticut, Fairfield area, you guys probably are aware of this spot. So yeah, I'm gonna chill here for a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys in the next clip if I decide to record more or record myself driving home. So yeah.